Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Understanding Academic Fundamentals. So our today's topic is select command. Okay, we know that select command is DML command, that is data manipulation language. Okay, as SQL commands are divided as DDL and DML. Okay, so we have already covered with DDL commands. Okay, you can find the link in the description section. Now moving towards the DML commands, we have already done with insert command, and today I am going to explain you select command. Okay, and we are remaining with update and delete. Okay. Okay, so basically select command is used to fetch the data from the table. Yes. Now the syntax of the select command is select star from table name. Okay, here the star means all the values. Okay, star means all the values of the table. So when you execute this query, the star gets replaced with all the columns of the table. Okay, so whenever you want to see the content of the table, you can execute this query, select star from table name, and it will give you the entire table. Okay, star means all. Okay, now here I have created one table, employee table. Okay, and I have inserted some records in this table. Okay, now if I want to see the content of employee table, I will execute what? Select star from employee. Correct? So it will give me the entire table because star is replacing with all the columns. So I'm getting here the entire employee table. So all the records are there. Okay. Now if you want a particular column, okay, if you want a particular column, let's say name, I want only the names of the employee. Okay, I don't want all the columns, I want only the names. Okay, so what you will do, you will replace the star. Okay, you will replace the star with column name. Okay, so the query will be select name from employee. Okay, so this will give me only one column. Understood? Now let's say you want two columns. Okay, so here we have all the columns. Here I have only one column. Now if you want two columns, let's say name and company of the employee. Okay, so you can replace this star with more than one columns separated by comma. Okay, so I want here name and company. Okay, so the query will be name comma company. Okay, so it will give me two columns from employee table, that is name and company of the employee. Understood? Okay, so these are the basic queries, select command. Okay, one column, more than one columns. Now if you want a particular record, okay, if I want employee whose ID is 4, I want employee details whose ID is 4, so I want this particular record. Okay, so here there is condition. Okay, condition is what? ID is 4. Okay, so you can have condition in select command. Okay, so to specify condition in select command, we have where clause. Okay, so in where clause you can write the condition. Okay, so we have what condition? Condition is ID is equal to 4. Okay, we have condition ID is equal to 4. So how you will write the query? It is select, we want all the details, so I am writing here star, select star from employee. Okay, where condition is ID is equal to 4. Okay, this is my condition. So we will get only one record. Okay, employee whose ID is 4. Understood this? Okay, now if you want more than one records, means what? Let's say I want employees who lives in Pune city. Okay, so more than one records are there. Okay, so condition is what? Employees who lives in Pune city. City should be what? Pune, correct? So the query will be select star from employees where city is equal to Pune, correct? This will be condition, city is equal to Pune. So we will get all the details of employee who lives in Pune city, correct? Now execute this. So we have 3 employees who lives in Pune city. Understood this? Now if you want employees who lives in Pune city, okay, who lives in Pune city and works in IBM. Okay, so there are 2 conditions now. City should be Pune and company should be IBM. Okay, and clause is there. Okay, so the query will be 2 conditions are there. Select star from employee where city is equal to Pune. Okay, employees who lives in Pune city and works in IBM. So company is equal to IBM. Okay, so we have 2 conditions here, Pune and IBM. Understood? So you can specify more than 1 conditions also in select command. Okay, now let me execute this. So we have 2 records, 2 employees are working in IBM company and lives in Pune city. Understood this? Now let's say you want the employee details who lives in Pune or in Mumbai. Okay, so here or condition is there, who lives in Pune or in Mumbai. Okay, so we know that in and condition both should be true. Okay, Pune and IBM, and when there is or condition only one should be true. Okay, if one is true it will take that value, take that record. If both are true then also it will take that record. Okay, but in and condition if both are true then only it will take that record. Okay, now we want to display employee details who lives in Pune or in Mumbai, correct? So we will have employee details, city is equal to Pune or city is equal to Mumbai. Or condition is there? Yes. So the output will be, here we have to write or. Okay, so this is and or condition. Okay, now execute this. Okay, so we have records in which employees lives in Pune or Mumbai city. Okay, understood this much? Now if I want to display the employees, okay, if I want to display the employees whose salary is greater than 25,000. Okay, here condition is what? Salary should be greater than 25,000. Okay, so the query will be salary should be greater than. So we will write where, in where clause, salary greater than 25,000. Okay, this is my condition. So we will get only those employees whose salary is greater than 25,000. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4 employees. Okay, now let me execute this. See, we have 4 employees whose salary is greater than 25,000. Understood this? So these are the basic select command. Okay, select queries. Okay, so we have seen basic select command, that is select star from table name. Here star is replaced with all the columns of the table. Okay, so you will get the entire table. Okay, now if you want a particular column, you can replace the star with that column name. If you want more than one column, you can replace this star with more than one column name separated by comma. Okay, now we have seen conditions. So if there is a condition, you can specify that condition in where clause. Okay, you can have more than one condition, okay, with different clauses like and. See, this is also a one condition. Then we have seen you can have more than one condition with different clauses and, or, and etc. Okay, so we have seen greater than. In this way you can have greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, okay, and so this was all about the basic select command. We have executed the simple select command, simple queries. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to explain you different clauses, different conditions. We will have some complicated queries. Okay, and today we have executed the queries only on a single table. Then we have, in the next video we will have more than one table. Okay, and we will execute different select commands on that multiple tables also. Okay, so like the video, share it with your friends, share your feedbacks and comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.